gonna say that again. Okay. Got it. That's in general. Nothing. That's. I mean, if you that people are seriously, come on, man. But yeah, playing there, it adds character. Dog shit, fucking rice ass mustard.
Vocal.
No, loud. I will wait. Fuck you.
Diesel.
It's a Ram 1500 pickup.
Oh, it might actually be.
Oh, they got the biggest towing capacity in the northeastern side of America. Even though this is the Southwest. Oh, my crying! Power stroke Ram 1500. I swapped the Cummins out. It might. I don't know. It's. I know. I mean, I kind of am in a vacuum, but
yeah.
Ooh, that's so bright.
It might be a little too harsh. The knob on the side of the base for that can let you change certain things around. I don't know what else there is, but try the other way.
Nope. A softer light. What kind of started it?
Yeah, and shut up. Put your phone on vibrate.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
It's a long list. Shit. Okay.
All the kids now are into like stance. That's the big thing now.
Yeah.
Stance has been massive, and I tried it, and I hate it, and I can't wait to undo all this. I'm so sick. I am so sick of being an inch off the ground and having dirt nasty front fitment to where I can't even turn my wheel more than once until I start rubbing. Sometimes I rub just going straight on a flat road.
Yeah. Hold on. Kevin, 21-7, I'm heading over. You want to wait for Kevin?
No, dude, fuck that guy. Yeah, Kevin, fuck you, Kevin.
Oh my god. Put that in your video. Pop, 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 pop.
I'll wait for dogs to finish.
I love driving a nice car, like especially like through a canyon. Just pure joy.
I like how you say that completely monotone. Just absolutely no joy in your pure joy and
Yes.
why?
I don't know. I never thought I'd get this far.
She ever got glasses on my head?
God. Everyone will be like, oh yeah, that's a typical BMW owner.
Yeah, boy.
Like,
Last car that ever will be built will be a sports car. The best part about cars is that when you've had loads of problems and you've spent loads of money to get it right, when it finally does work, you'll smile. And it's something that, you know, won't go away. It's a fantastic feeling, and it really is then an emotional connection to the car.
so, what's going on, Jordan? So how many friends have you made because of the car community? Or just cars in general?
So many. If I could put a number on it, over 1 million or so.
I don't know how you got on camera.
I got it.
Oh, I don't know. I don't. Yeah.
Well, it's the 20th anniversary.
Yes, it
so
is.
what does that? What does that come with?
It comes with a little number out of 4,000. Mine's 1,552. So
Okay.
there's only 4,000 of those made. And
Like,
that's what it comes with.
That's it? There's no like performance enhancement or anything?
I mean,
that's kind of
not really. No, I mean,
whatever.
Yeah.
All right. So ready?
Frank Sinatra, 1957 Buick Regal.
I drive.
Kyle Vassar, aka Diesel Dale.
A little bit, because I don't know if. Oh fuck
That
my
doesn't
knee.
happen all the time.
Oh shit. Stop.
Okay, look at it.
I like turtles.
Oh my god, you're a girl. What are you doing here? Dude, I'm not here to talk to you. I'm here to talk to my friends.
Cock out of here.
No, it's not even in frame. It's not even close to being in frame.
Fine.
Oh, is your phone on silent? And give us your name.
Okay.
Just say my name is Brian Smith or my name is Brian.
My name is Brian Smith.
All right, one pump chump. Let's do it.